top.
Hey, Joe. Hello from Waymo. As we get going, just give us 1 minute to cover a few riding tips. This experience may feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always. So keep your seatbelt fastened, please. If you're traveling with little ones or expecting, please see the seatback card for more information. We'll do all the driving, so please don't touch the steering wheel or pedals during your ride. We may use interior cameras to check on riders, improve our products, and more, but our microphones are only on when you're connected to rider support. So sing your heart out, we can't hear you. You can also use the app or passenger screen to speak to a rider support agent at any time. In the rare case of an emergency, please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain in the car unless there's an urgent need to exit.
Alright, that's the temperatures.
Oh. It's a K-pop song! Behaving?
Yeah. This one's great. This is interesting. I feel like it's learned how to be a San Francisco driver. Why it started, it seems like. I don't know, maybe San Jose is a different dimension because everything's so much faster.
Oh my god, yeah, there I would not do this. Not even with you.
Everything's slow.
People know better, but San Jose, I hear.
Chip, pick another station.
I don't like pop.
Huh?
I don't like.
Hey, listen, I'm taking control up here. It's gonna be easy. I'm grabbing yourself up for food.
I was gonna say.
He's doing some things right now. He does not give a shit. Let's see how he handles his human on a scooter. Most this is the best way not to get a copyright strike. This electronic music. This is Francis for Bumba building. Oh, it was? I have no idea.
Nice music. So has there been any cases of it running someone over, crashing?
Only with just like one homeless person somewhere. I don't know if someone just jumped in it though. I'm not, I don't know how that happened actually. If you're gonna learn to drive San Francisco, that's the place to do it.
You're gonna hit a bunch of people.
Yeah, but if you can do it safely in San Francisco, just life is good.
Empty parking lot is Mexican.
That's that alcohol. Yeah. We can go. Let's. Okay. I'm not sure where to stop. Yeah. Well, after we eat, we'll walk down this street. This guy's gonna.
Live worms? I've never been here.
Yeah, that's a little the green door. It's called bars.
Oh, gee.
Once you know, I don't have to worry about me doing this.
Oh, he did his hand like that too. That's weird.
It's like you stop.
No, as a thank you, but
Oh,
you say
yeah.
thank you to a ghost.
I think that. Oh, whoa. Let's see. Whoa. Okay.
Oh, he's looking at you. That's funny. Regardless, we're not gonna have to pay for it.
No, we pay for nothing. That's what's
They would have to.
Somebody. I might sit here all day. At some point, it's gonna get aggressive. It's gonna get tired.
It forces its way. It doesn't do
Right here. This is where it does it.
This looks like slow.
Yeah, but it's still forcing it.
Oh.
Wide one.
Almost there. Don't forget your phone, keys, or bag. For your safety, the doors will remain locked when we arrive. Hold the handle twice to access. The first will unlock, the second opens the door.
People just walk with no can. We're not here yet.
There.
We are?
Yep.
You're here. Vehicle approaching. You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.
Look at that.
Cool story, bro.